My name is Sandeep, and you are learning the first day. You are having the first day of e-learning classes, and today our topic is rational numbers. Today we have three objectives that is called first one is set of numbers. We will learn the representation of rational numbers on the number line, and then we will learn the rational numbers between two rational numbers. So today, first of all, let's learn about the set of numbers. So our first set of numbers is natural number that we know. You also aware about the natural numbers that we are having the natural numbers that is 1 2 3 4. It is starting from 1, then 2. Sorry, my pen is not working. Starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on, right? So here we can represent the natural numbers like this, and this is called from it starts from 1. There is nothing to the right side of the 1, so it starts from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So here we can represent the natural numbers like this. It is denoted by capital N, and that is 1, 2, 3, and so on, right, up to infinite. This is the symbol of infinite. Then we will focus on the whole numbers. So what is whole numbers? If you can observe, then the whole numbers, which is denoted by W, in that if you include the 0 in the natural numbers, so it will become whole numbers. So this is the whole number which is denoted by W. So we can write W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up to infinite and the curly bracket. Then we will go to the integers that is denoted by Z, in which we have 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. It means we have here negative numbers, and here we have positive numbers, and the 0 that we have. Okay, so in the integers, it means which is denoted by capital Z. So it includes negative infinite, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0, and here we have, if I write 1, 2, and so on, and plus infinite. Got it? So in this way we will have the integers. Then we will talk about the rational numbers, which is denoted by Q, and in that Q we can include the fractions. So here if we include the fractions, then if you come to know, then here we have the negative infinite, here we have negative numbers, then we have fractions like this. So these are the fractions, this is, and then minus 1, minus 2 by 3, then we have 0, 1 by 2, here we have the 5 by 3, this is called fraction, and to the plus infinite. It means in the integers, which is denoted by capital Q, which includes minus infinite, then any number like minus 2, minus 4 by 3, and to 0, and we can say 1, 5 by 3, and 2, and infinite. So in this way we will have the natural numbers. So this was our uh, first objective, which are the set of numbers. Then we will go to the next objective. Our next objective is the whole numbers. So if you go for the whole numbers, so our next objective is to represent the numbers on the number line. So here we have to represent the numbers on the number line. So here minus 1 by 3 we have to present, 4 by 3 that we have to present, 6 by 3, and 7 by 3 that we have to represent on the number line. So if you note, then we have the numbers minus negative numbers also and positive numbers also. So first of all we will divide it into the first, we will write 0. Then if you note that we have 3 in the denominator, it means we have to divide all the parts into all the numbers into 3 equal parts. So if I will take first part second part and third part, and I'll write 1 over here. Here again one part, two part, and the third part I'll write 2 over here, and the one part, second part, and the third part I will write 3 over here. Okay, same, one part, two part, and the third part I will write 1 minus 1 over here. So in this way, if I write how many parts we did, so let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? Then if we write the denominator like 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and 3 by 3, we all know what is 3 by 3. Yes, that is 1. Then 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. What is 6 by 3? 3 2s are 6, so that is 2. 7 by 3, 8 by 3, and 9 by 3. 9 3 3s are 9, that is the 3. Here same, minus 1 by 3. Here we will write minus 2 by 3, and same minus 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1, that is minus 1. So our required number is 1 by 3. The second is 4 by 3. Then the third one is 6 by 3. And the last one is 7 by 3. So these are the required numbers. Now we will move ahead. Then they said represent the 5 by 8 on the number line. So again we will start with the 0. There is no negative number, so no need to write the negative numbers. We will start with the 0, and here in the denominator there is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Divided with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You know what is 8 by 8? 1. Yes. So here we have the another number. The same thing, can you do it for this? Okay. So here there is no positive number, so I'll write 0 over here, and the negative number left to that side, left to that side, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here in the denominator there is 4, and 7 by 4, that we know, minus 7 by 4, right, which is less than the minus 1. So we will go further. Okay, then minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, right? So if we divide it with the 4, so I will write here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and what is 4 by 4? Yes, minus 1. Minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, minus 8 by 4. What is minus 8 by 4? Yes, minus 2. So this is our required number, right? Then we will move to the third part, the third lesson, third objective, which is the rational numbers between two rational numbers. So find the rational numbers between 5 and 6. As we all know that if we write on the number line, that is 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then we can see that there is no number between 5 and 6. So how will we find it? So if you want to find, then we can, if you are asked only a single number, then we will write the average of the 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? 11. Divide by 2. So if I write 11 divided by 2, then what is it? Yes, it is 5.5. So here 5.5 is the rational number between 5 and 6. But what if they asked more than one number between two numbers? So if I represent here then I'll write 0 minus 1 minus 2. So I have only one number between 0 and minus 2, and they asked three numbers. What will I do? I will write here like this, minus 2, and I will multiply it with 10, and at the same time I will divide it with the 10. Then I can write here like this, minus 20 by 10. For 0, I will multiply it with 10, divide it with 10. I can write 0 by 10. So here I have two numbers, so minus 20 by 10, and so I can write so many numbers between minus 20. So minus 20 by 10, which is not included. Then I will write minus 19 by 10, minus 18 by 10, and so on. Then I will write minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10. These all are the numbers which is in between, and this 0 by 10, that is called 0. So these all are the numbers which we can find, right? In the same way, if we want to find the 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 8 and 6 by 8, so first of all we will have to equalize the denominators. So as we all know, what is the LCM of 8 and 6? Then what is the LCM of 8 and 6? Yes, the LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. So first of all we will rationalize, or we can equalize the denominators. So if I write minus 5 by 8, so for the 24 I will multiply it with 3, then 5 3s are 15, and the denominator is 24. And for 5 by 6 it is 6, and 6 4s are 24. So I will write 20 by 24. So here I have minus 15 to 24 and 20 over 24. So I have so many numbers. So after 15 I can write minus 14 by 24 and minus 13 by 24 up to so on, then minus 1 by 24, then it will be 0, then up to so on 1 by 24, then I can write 19, last 19 by 24. So these all are the numbers which between the minus 5 by 8 and plus 5 by 6. Hope you understand. Thank you.